Ready? 5 seconds. Start. That does not mean that I dislike language being a very important matter in our administration or education or culture. I recognize that the language of the people is a vital matter for their development, whether it is education, administration, or any other matter. But there is a distinction between developing the language to the fullest extent and this passion for building up a wall around a linguistic area and calling it a border. I completely accept the statement that people cannot really grow except through their language, but it does not follow that in order to make them and their language grow, a barrier must be erected between them and others. The various language areas in India represent the development of history through the ages. But drawing a hard and fast line between two areas is, I think, carrying it too far. As a matter of fact, it just does not matter where you draw your line if you judge a border purely from the linguistic point of view. You will be going against the wishes of many people. Invariably, there are bilingual areas. As long as you cannot prevent people of one state from going to another, there will always be bilingual areas. Are you going to stop contrary to the dictates of the Constitution, the movement of workers, or of other people from one state to another? You cannot therefore whatever fixed line in you may draw. People on one side may be attracted to the other and move there, and thus change the linguistic composition of the state or of the border area. Are we going to sit down every few years and say the language ratio of this particular tahsil or taluk has changed and therefore it should be taken out of this state and put into another? You must realize that while there are clearly marked linguistic regions, there are also bilingual areas and even trilingual areas between two such regions. And wherever you may draw your line, you do justice to one group and injustice to another. From the language point of view, good reason, good logic, and good argument can be found for each side of every case. This is the difficulty. If there was logic only one side, we could decide easily, but there is logic on both sides, and the two logics conflicts and the same to be balanced.